Adding About Us page in the Shopify store is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up Shopify on the web browser. Once you get into your Shopify account, click to view your store ID. Then tap on Add Pages to your store. Now click to Add Page, which will take you to the pages. From here you can add page. You can click on the Add Page button from the top right corner. Add the page title as About Us or whatever you want. Then type the content of the page as Hey, welcome to my store. You can write anything in here and make it bold, italic, or underline it. Also, you can set its alignment, clear formatting, insert video, image, table, link, and many more. It provides you the visibility options and sets it on any option you want. Then choose the online store theme template. After making all the changes, click to save the page. You can view your created page in Pages from an online store. After opening the pages, click to view your page. Now you can see your About Us page in Shopify.